Hey friends, per your request, today we're going to be doing another Olaplex update, but this time we are going to be testing out the 4-in-1 Moisture Mask in comparison to Olaplex's No.8 Bond Intensive Mask. So as it stands, I'm still using Olaplex, but only once a month for maintenance. So although the 4-in-1 is marketed only to licensed professionals, when I did a deep dive into the ingredients, literally about 97% of the ingredients are the exact same as the No.8. So jumping right into it, my hair is under my terry cloth towel. I just dampened it quite a bit so that we can start our routine. You can see what I'm currently using for my hair. So this is my hair, no product in it, and we are looking to revive it, add some more elasticity, some shine, and revive those curls. So before we start with our shampoo, I'm just gonna wet the hair down just a bit more just to get it ready. So let's jump right into our routine. I'm gonna be using a No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I love the shampoo because it really does hydrate my hair. I can feel a complete difference after using it. It helps to reduce split ends, it helps to reduce frizz, it adds that moisture back into the hair, the elasticity, and really gives me that bounce after protective styling my hair throughout the month. And now that we rinsed the shampoo out, you can look at my hair, you can see that it's a lot shinier, it's fuller, it's more vibrant. And now we're gonna jump into testing our products. We're splitting our hair in half. We're first gonna start off with the Olaplex 4-in-1 Moisture Mask. So it is advertised as a product for professionals. What I feel like it is because it's a larger size and has a pump, which makes it perfect for stylists that use it in their back bar for their clients. Because like I said, the ingredients are not that much different, and I didn't notice that much of a difference between this product and the No.8 Bond Intensive Moisture Mask. And so as always, we're starting at the ends, we're working that product, and once I work it in with my fingers, I like to go on my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, working that product in. You can see the curls snapping back. It's a good product. It's just not different than what we're about to use with the No.8 Bond Intensive Mask. And so this is the texture and consistency of the product. As you can see, it's very similar to the 4-in-1. Again, we're gonna work at those ends, work the product through with our fingers, and then detangle the product. And because we're trying to isolate the mask today is the reason I didn't start with the No.3, which I usually do start with. That is still a favorite and a staple in my routine. But before we rinse, look at the two sides. It's not that much different, y'all. So final verdict, I like the 4-in-1 just as much as I like the No.8. I think they are interchangeable. Be sure to check my description box because I will put the links where you can see the ingredients and do your own comparison. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my Olaplex series, be sure to click the link in my description box that also has a playlist so you can catch up to where we are now. And God willing, I will see you in my next video. Bye.